All right, all right. Can you guys hear me? All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another live. Let's get started right away. Now, you guys know we're here every single day doing these live trades, showing you guys exactly how we make money daily. Now, the first step always will be to make sure that we turn on the super trend indicator. So that's what we're going to do right here. So let's go here to our indicators tab. And what we'll do is we'll go to the trend drop down and click super trend. Now we're going to go ahead. You guys know I never actually changed the settings here. I just click apply. And guys, right now we're starting to get this reversal on the super trend. So we're getting this red candle forming. Um, so we're getting this red bar actually forming. So let's see what we can do here. What I'd like to do is enter a nice short position right here. And the reason I'd be entering a short position is because, as you can see, the super trend has now gone red. Let me zoom in a little bit more for you guys so you guys can see. There we go. So the super trend has gone red. And what does that mean? That means that we've started a downtrend. Now, right here, we're pushing up. So what I'll do is, as soon as we push up a little more, right here, a little more, a little more. There we go. So I'm going, there we go. So I just entered a short position, a sell trade. Um, and now the first thing I'm going to do is set my stop loss and take profit, which is right here. I'm going to click and drag this up to around 2000. I'm going to click and I'm going to drag my entry down till about 2000. We're getting a much better entry right about here. So let's go ahead and enter another sell trade. I'm going to click and drag my entry up to 2000. I'm going to click and drag my entry down to $2,000 in profit as well. Now, what we're going to do is we're just going to let these trades ride out. And the reason that I'm entering these trades is because, as you guys can see, the super trend was showing green, which means that we were in an uptrend. But right here, the super trend has now reversed to a downtrend. And what we're doing is we're getting this nice pullback. And if we push up higher, I'll just enter another short position as well. Actually, that is pretty good. So let's go ahead and enter another short position. All right. And let me see if I can. There we go. Now let me set my stop loss right here at about 2000, and I'll set my take profit right here at about 2000 as well. So yeah, so we just hit stop loss on one of those trades, and we're just going to let this ride out, and we're going to see what happens because, as we can see, oh, there we go. So the super trend is now reversing into an uptrend. So we're just going to wait. We're just going to let these trades ride out. And then after that, we'll see what the next trades that we're going to do are going to be. Now, for anybody who's just joining, if you guys want to learn and you guys want to learn completely for free without ever having to pay, all you have to do is make sure you give me a follow and turn your notifications on because I go live every single day and I'm going to be going through the whole process of how I'm able to sit on my computer for maybe about an hour or two, make a couple $1,000s, and then just enjoy the rest of my day. And if this is something that you guys want to learn, something that you guys want to see how it's done daily, this is the place to be. And if you guys want to get started, make sure you guys go to abado.com. That's where I'm trading right now. Get your account set up. And also, if you guys want to learn, get access to a whole bunch of videos I've made, all you got to do is go to the link in my bio. If you go to the link in my bio, you can just go to our website, jststream.com, and all of the information, all the videos that I've made are available on there, and it's completely for free. It's a free course basically. Um, Ruts85 is asking, are you on all weekend? Yeah, so I also am going to be live on the weekends. I'll be trading on the weekends. So make sure you guys join and you guys follow along and learn something new. Now, we're going to be going over a lot of things today, so make sure you guys keep watching. And let's get started right away. All right, so basically, let's go over how to actually test strategies. Now, this is something that a lot of people might a lot of people might know about, but most people don't know about this. So the way, all right, so we just hit stop loss on our trades. That's okay. We're just going to wait for the next entry and then we'll get started. Now, the way that you test strategies, or back testing, if you've ever heard that term, is basically what you would do is you would go back in time. And let me show you guys this. Okay, so if we go back in time, by the way, you guys can see the super trend is an amazing indicator. Right here, we reversed from a red downtrend to an uptrend. Imagine being able to catch this whole move up just by using one indicator. It's actually insane. What's going on? A nice. What's up, RP? What's up, Mame? Abina? How you guys doing? Welcome to the live, and welcome everybody to the live. Nasser, how's it going? What's up, SEH198? What's up, Catherine? How you guys doing? What's up, Felix? Now let's see what's going on. What's up, Blue? How you doing? Basically, what we're doing is I'm going to be explaining how we test strategies and how you can also test strategies. So basically, you go back in history and let's say right here, your strategy is as soon as what's going on? What's going on, SEH? What's up, Jeff? How you guys doing? Asan, Mr. Five Pots, what's up? So basically, let's say our strategy is very simple. We say that when the super trend reverses, so when it goes from red to green or green to red, the super trend is the indicator we have on the chart right now. So let's say it goes from red to green and we enter a buy. There we go. So it just turned green right here. Now let's say we enter a buy and then we're going to see was this trade profitable or not, and boom, there we go. So that was a profitable trade. So that's how we test a strategy, okay? Very simply. So you go back in history and then you move the chart forward until whatever your signal for entering a trade happens, and then you enter a trade. Now let's see. Okay, when it turns red, then we're going to enter a sell. Let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Let's see. So as soon as it goes red, which is, come on, come on, where is it? Where is it? There you go. All right. So right here, it goes red. Okay, guys. Now, let's say we were to enter a short position here. What would happen? So let's say we enter a short. Is this profitable? Yeah, definitely profitable. All right, so this right here. So SCH is saying, what time frame are you using? So I'm using the 5 minute time frame. What's up, Amar? What's up, Malwa? What's up, Palisa? What's up, Cyrus? How are you guys doing? We're basically showing how to test strategies on the charts and how you're able to do it, so you can test your own strategies. What's up, Fersino? How's it going? What's up, Elisa? What's up, Abdullah? All right, so let's go over to the next trade. All right, so we're taking the next trade here. So as soon as the super trend goes green, so right now we're 2 for 2 profitable trades. As soon as it goes green, there we go. So it just went green right there. Now let's say we enter a buy trade. What happens? All right, that is whoa, oh my god, that's a profitable trade right there. So right here on the super trend, it's 3 out of 3 profitable trades. So SEH is saying, what strategy do you use most often? So the strategy I use is I use a super trend indicator to tell me when the trend is reversing, and then I use the range bars to show me when the trend is reversing, and then I enter a trade based on that. So let's actually go ahead and do this. So right here, the super trend is green. All right, SCH. And now I'm going to, the indicator is called super trend. I'll show you how to get it now. So right here, we can see we're pushing down and the super trend is green. So what we're going to do is enter a buy trade, okay? So because we're getting a nice push down, we're getting a better price. Let's enter a buy trade. And now let's set our stop loss and take profit right here. So I'm going to click and drag my entry down. Let's set it to $2,000 right here. And I'm going to click and drag my entry up to $2,000 right there. And that's how I set my stop loss and take profit. All right. And now to get the indicator, I'll show you how we do it. And guys, we're already at $500 in profit. Congratulations for everybody who's following along. Congratulations, congratulations. SCH is saying, what percentage do you usually take profit and what percentage is your stop loss? So I always do 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, and I'm setting it at $2,000 each, which means that I'm risking less than 1% of my balance. Guys, we're at $553 in profit. Congratulations. So now the way you get it is, so where I'm trading, guys, I want all you guys right now to go to abado.com, get your account set up. That's where I'm trading. They actually have amazing features, and it's honestly the best platform I've used. So what I'd like to do is add the super trend indicator. Now, how do you do it? You click the indicators on the top corner of the platform and then click indicator store. Now, the nice thing over here is they have hundreds or maybe even thousands of indicators that you can add to your chart. So let's say we want to add the super trend. What we would do is right here, we would click super or search super. And right here, it's actually great because it gives you a whole bunch of information about the indicator. And what you would do is just click install, and then you would have it on your chart. Now let's go ahead and go back to the indicators tab. Under the trend drop down, you'll see super trend. Click there. I never change any settings. Click apply, and now you'll have the super trend indicator. And guys, the trade we just entered, congratulations, we're at $776, $800 in profit. What's up, Sif? What's up, Pretty Jules? How's it going? What's up, Ahmed? What's up, Naud? What's up, Keep Up? How you guys doing? What's up, Lily? What's up, Gino? What's going on, Seb? How are you guys doing? All right, guys, there we go. We're over $1,000. We're at $1,500 in profit on this trade that we just entered. $1,700, $1,800. Oh my God, so close. That's crazy. We're so close to our take profit. 1,859. What's up? It's Tom Tom. How's it going? I basically show you guys how I do this every single day, guys. We're at $1,900 in profit, and this is how we do it. I showed you guys exactly what the process is. I'm answering your questions. If you guys want to learn, make sure you guys join here every single day because I walk you guys through this step by step, one step at a time, and I show you guys exactly how we do it. And guys, there we go. We're at $2,000 in profit. I think we should be hitting our take profit just in about a second. There we go. We're at 2029. Oh my God, so close, so close. We're so close to hitting our take profit. That's insane. What's up, Bryson? How's it going? Thanks for the follow. Let's get started. So basically what I do here, I show you guys exactly how I do this. Now, the main thing that I want to say is, guys, never pay for a course because I'm here daily. I'm answering your question. TikTok is free. TikTok is amazing. You never have to pay. We're at over $2,000 in profit on this trade. 2,100. There we go. Congratulations. Congratulations to everybody who's following along. We just hit $2,000 in profit on that trade. Now, the way that I did it was as soon as the super trend went green, I waited for a pullback, and you guys can see that right here. So the super trend indicator was showing green, and then I didn't want to get in, once it had already moved up. So I waited for it to come back down, and as soon as it came back down, we just made $2,000. So for everybody who's following along, congratulations, you guys are amazing. Positron, what's up, what's up, what's up? We just did a $2,000 trade. So congratulations, everybody. Let's get started now. Basically, if you guys want to learn, the first thing that I'm going to say is that never buy anyone's course, never buy anyone's bot, never pay to learn when it comes to trading, because let me tell you guys something. All of this information is available online, and actually what I've done is I've made a whole bunch of videos that you guys can access yourself, and you guys can start learning at your own pace. Think about it as like a paid course, except it's completely free, okay? Because remember, I will never ever charge you guys anything to learn. I always say never send me any money, never buy anything from me, never buy any bot or anything from me, because the whole point of me coming here is because you guys can clearly see I made over $2,000 in front of you guys in the past. How long has it been? I think it's been just around 15-20 minutes. And now the reason that I'm able to do this is because I've spent years and years in this industry. I've actually spent over 10 years trading. And what happened is I learned that, you know, I had to go and make a lot of mistakes. And through those mistakes, I was able to understand what not to do. And when it comes to trading, it's all about what not to do. And I'm going to explain all of these things to you, the step by step guide. This is the place. All right. So, number one, guys, let's all go through this together. Okay. Number one, you have to minimize your risk as much as possible. So, start with as little as possible when it comes to risk. Now, what does that mean? That means that if I'm starting out trading, if you're starting out trading, if anyone's starting out trading, I would start with 0.01 lot size. And I'm going to explain to, okay, guys, let's go through this like a course. Okay, I'm going to take things one step at a time. What is lot size? So, lot size is the number that you guys see right here where I have set it to 10. Now, what does that mean? So, that means that each point that the market moves is worth $10 for me. Okay. Now, if I set it to one, that means that each point that the market will move will be worth $1. All right. So basically, what's happening is that you're controlling how big your trade is by using the lot size. So if I set it to 0.01, that means that for example, each dollar that Bitcoin moves, I'm going to either make or be down 1 cent if I set it to 0.01. So basically, what's happening is that, if I set my lot size to $1, every dollar that Bitcoin moves up, I can make $1. Now, this is an amazing thing. This is an amazing thing when it comes to trading, is because we can control how much risk we can do per trade. So what I do is, the golden rule that I use is one lot size maximum per $10,000 in the account. Now, why would I say that? The reason is because if I have a $10,000 account, if I use one lot size, that means that each dollar that Bitcoin moves up and each dollar the Bitcoin moves down, I'm able to make $1 on that. Now, the amazing thing is, when it comes to investment, Mr. Five Pots, thank you. I appreciate it. You guys are amazing. I appreciate all your likes, your comments, your questions. You guys are all awesome. Hopefully, you guys can come here and learn something new every single day. Now, basically, why would I use one lot size maximum if I have $10,000 in my account? The reason is because if I set my stop loss and take profit at 100 points, what that means is that I'm able to only risk $100 per trade. Now, if I'm using $100 per trade on a $10,000 account, that means that my risk is 1%. And that's the whole thing. So Taffman is asking, what's the name of the indicator? So the name of the indicator is Super Trend Indicator. Now, the way that the Super Trend Indicator works is amazing. Now, if you guys want, it's found on abado.com. So go to abado.com. I have the platform right here, the broker that I'm trading on. So all you guys right now, go to abado.com, get your account set up. You guys can get started right away. And they even have prop firms. They have indicator. They have a build your own trading bot feature, which is amazing. All right, guys. So we're getting this reversal right here. We can see on the range bars. I'll go through this as well. So make sure you stick around. So the range bars are showing a downtrend. We're getting a little bit of a pullback there. So as soon as we get a little bit of a pullback here, I'll enter a short position. Okay, so I'll enter the short position. There we go. So we're getting a bit of a pullback. That's a nice pullback right there. Let's enter a sell trade. So I just entered a sell trade. I'm going to set my stop loss right here at about $2,000. I'm going to set my take profit also right here about $2,000. Now, the way that I did it was because I entered a short position or a sell trade. I make money on the way down. So that's why my take profit is below. And then on a sell trade, my stop loss is above. So I'm able to make, so that's where I would prevent me from having more losses. Guys, congratulations to everybody following along. You guys saw we just entered this trade. We're already $200 in profit. Congratulations. Guys, we're at 350 $340 in profit. That's amazing. Now, the reason that I entered this trade was because we got a reversal on the range bars, and I'll walk you guys through that right after we talk about why it's important to manage your risk. Because at the end of the day, what it really comes down to is understanding that all hedge funds, all you know. Banks, all of these guys, basically what they're doing is they're trading. But when they're trading, they can't risk huge percentages because there's billions of dollars at stake. And when there's billions of dollars at stake, the way to do it is we just want to make a small percentage on a regular basis. That's what it's all about. A small percentage on a regular basis adds up to be a lot over time. Now that's why you see, banks will pay out like 5%, 6% a year, and the reason for that is because that's how much they're aiming for. Because when you're trading with an account that's about a billion or 5 billion or even $100 billion, making 0.5% or 1% is huge. It's huge numbers. That's why when a lot of people, when they ask me, guys, like when they ask me, hey, AKA, how much should I start with? The real number will always be at least 10 to 50K, if not like 100,000 or 200,000. But and you know what, even with that size of account, I would minimize my risk. I would still do trades of like 0.01 lot size until I learn, until I gain some experience, and then I would grow and start to do bigger trades after that. But I know a lot of people don't have like 50K or 100K. Actually, a lot of people do have 50K or 100K. So definitely, if you're able to start with that, that's what I would start with. And but at least a couple hundred or at least 1,000 to 5K. That's how much I would start with. Even when I started, I would at least put in 1,000 to 5,000. But then I would do trades of 0.01. And guys, remember what I explained before earlier. What I explained was that if we do 0.01 lot size trades, that means that each point that the market goes up or down is worth 1 cent. And now what I'm doing is I'm able to slow and steady grow the account, or at least get practicing without risking a lot. Derek is saying, what's your Telegram channel? So the Telegram channel is at JST Stream Bot. The link is actually in my bio. So if you guys give me a follow and join the link, join the link in the bio, you'll get access to the Telegram channel. I think my internet is acting a little weird. Let me see if I can reset this. But in the meantime, I'll show you guys. These are the range bars, and these are the Telegram signals that are running. Now, the way to get access to this is very simply just by. All right, let me open up this here. If you just go to the link in my bio, you'll get access to the range bars. You can get access to a whole bunch of videos I've made. You'll get access to the signals channel. You'll get access to all of this information. And guys, remember, it's completely free. I will never charge you guys for anything. Um, the reason is because when I started trading, 10 years ago, everyone was still doing the same thing. Like if you guys look at all of these guys who are on Instagram or Telegram or TikTok or wherever, all they're doing is they're saying, oh, buy my course, buy my bot, here's a subscription. Guys, it's all a waste of time, all a waste of money. The only place where my money would be going is into my own trading account. And hopefully, Derek, that answers your question. Paul is saying, what's the platform that you're using? So, guys, the platform that I'm using, I get this question a lot. The platform I'm using is abado.com. I have it on the chart right here. So you guys can go get your account set up right away. It's abado.com. They have demo accounts so you guys can practice. And the best part is that, on Abado, they have zero commission trades. They have zero swaps. So they have the lowest fees that I've found. Plus, they have the super trend indicator. Guys, the super trend indicator is really a game changer. It's a game changer. So, guys, make sure that you guys check out the super trend indicator. Monkey D. Luffy saying good stuff, dude. For sure, Monkey D. Luffy. You know what? As long as you can come here and learn something new, you guys can watch me trade. You guys can see exactly how I trade and exactly how I'm able to grow that account slow and steady. because that's what it comes down to. I've been trading on TikTok for over 2 years now. I've been coming live every single day. And I show you guys on my live account, and you guys have seen it grow. I started this account with 200,000, and let me show you guys what I'm at right now. I started at 200,000, and right now we're at $302,000. So we grew this account over 100,000 in the past few months, which is not bad at all. And Positron is saying fake mentors trading on demo. Exactly. All of these guys that you see on TikTok and Instagram, they all have demo accounts. I'm the only one with an actual live real account. And I'm the only one that can actually show you guys my live trades every single day without hiding any of them. I show you guys my wins, I show you guys my losses, and I explain to you why it's okay to have wins and losses, because at the end of the day, there's no strategy that's going to be 100%. Now, a lot of people are saying, a lot of people might say like, "Oh, you lost that trade." But guess what? It's normal. It's okay. And as long as mentally you're prepared for that, you understand that it's impossible to win every single trade, then you'll actually be able to go into trading with a clean mindset. Because a lot of people, if they expect to win every single trade, it's going to be very harmful to your mental health, I guess. Because what's happening is you're getting stressed out, you're nervous all the time, you're just not doing well, and the reason is because you don't know what to expect. Now here's the thing, my trading strategy, I've tested it over years and years of data. It gives me around a 60 to 65% accuracy. If we push up a little bit higher, guys, I'm going to enter another sell trade. uh, there we go, we're pushing up a little higher right here. All right, there we go. We're getting a pullback. You guys can see on the range bars as well. So we're in this downtrend, and we're getting this little bit of a pullback. And there we go. We're pushing up. We're pushing up. So let's go ahead and enter another sell position. As soon as we push up a little bit higher, I'll enter this trade. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right. Nice. All right, so I just entered another sell trade. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my stop loss and take profit. Positron is saying AK is the best trader on TikTok for sure. I appreciate that, Positron. Um, ZZ is saying losing is part of the game. You just have to control your risk. Exactly, ZZ. That's the thing that a lot of people fail to understand, though. You're never going to be 100%, but at the end of the day, as long as you have more winning trades than losing trades, that's really what matters. And guys, that's our second position. Now I've set my stop loss, I've set my take profit on both of these trades, and let's just see how they ride out. We're just going to let them, do what it does. And what's going to happen is the reason that I set my stop loss and take profit at 1-to-1 ratio, as you guys can see here. ZZ is asking how much is the commission with this broker. Honestly, ZZ, there's no other platform I would be using. They have zero commission, zero swaps, and their spread is some of the lowest that I have found in the market. If you guys look, now it is saying the indicator is still green. So guys, oh yeah, for ZZ, make sure you guys all go to abato.com, get your account set up, get started right away. Don't waste time, because I'm here every single day. I'm doing these live trades. We just did a $2,000 trade that hit take profit. We're in two more trades now. Now it is saying the indicator is still green. Why did you enter? Cody is saying, did you sell it? Yes. So I'll tell you guys the reason why I entered a sell trade instead of a buy trade. It's because the range bars right here are showing me a downtrend. Now I'm going to explain how the range bars work. Okay, now this is available. You guys can get access to this in right away as well, and it's running completely free. And guys, you guys can see it runs on all the pairs. So it runs on forex, crypto, commodities, indices, and equity. So stocks, whatever you want to trade, you can get the range bars. Now let me explain to you guys how the range bars work. So these range bars are not based on time, they're just based on price movement alone. So the way it works is only when the market moves are the range bars generated. So what happens is right here we can see we're getting, we're having an upwards movement in, this is the Bitcoin chart. You guys can see this is Bitcoin, Ethereum, just on the cryptocurrency tab. Now you guys can see right here we were in an uptrend on Bitcoin and then we reversed, and that's where I entered my sell positions. And right here we can see we're on the way up and we're getting another reversal. So what I'm waiting for is I'm waiting for the range bar reversals right here. So we can see we're in an uptrend, so I'll wait. And as soon as we're getting this red candle, that's when I would be entering a sell position. And now basically what's happening is I'm always waiting for the reversal to enter the trade. I never enter in the middle of a trend. So, for example, let's take another example right here, guys. So we can see the range bars are showing we're in an uptrend. Right here, we're going into, we're starting to go red. This is where I'd be entering a short position. Um, and then right up here, so this is the USD CAD chart. Now we can see we're in a downtrend. And right here, we're starting to get the green candle. That's where I would be entering a long position or a buy trade. All right, so that's how I use the range bars, and you guys can get access to the range bars as well. Um, so right here, let's see uh, what's happening. Kuldeep is saying TP. So the TP for both my trades right here, you guys can see. I'll show you. It's 61,233 and 61,154. All right. All right. So, guys, we're getting another push up, and the range bars are still showing a reversal. So, we're just going to let this ride out for now, and let's see what happens because we still are in these two trades. If we do push up much higher, and if we do end up, hitting stop loss on one of these trades, then I might enter another short position. Uh, but for now, let's just see what happens. For anybody who's just joining, welcome to the live. I'm here every single day doing these live trades, showing you guys exactly how I make money daily in the markets. And we trade all of the pairs, guys. So we trade crypto, we trade Forex, we trade stocks, we trade commodities and indices. And if you guys want access to all of this, you guys can see right here on our Telegram channel, which is, by the way, completely free to access. We get signals for all of these pairs. Okay, so we get signals for example, USD JPY, NZD USD, ETH, Tesla, Amazon. What else? What else? We get GBP USD, USD JPY, AUD USD. We get signals for what else do we got? Tesla, Meta. So whatever it is that you're trading, we're able to get we're getting the signals for them. Now you guys can get access to all of this, and it's basically what I do is I use it as a confirmation with the super trend. I use it as a confirmation with the range bars, because let me explain something to you guys. So basically what's happening is that, if we look at it just overall, you can see when it comes to trading, we basically have a 50-50 chance of getting it right. Either we can enter a buy trade or we can enter a sell trade. So either we make money on the way up or we can make money on the way down. Now, the nice thing about trading is that because it's a 50-50 chance, all we have to do is add layers to it. And when we add the layers to it, we can increase that 50-50 chance. So basically, for example, let's say we add the super trend indicator. Okay, so instead of 50-50, now our chances are, let's say, 60-40. So now, we're 60% we might win this trade, and 40% we might lose the trade. Now, let's say we add another layer. So let's say we add the range bars. Now, that might push that up to 63%. Okay, now we have a 63% chance of having a winning trade, and then let's say we add the signals with it. So now we're adding these layers and increasing our chances of having a successful trade. So basically, it's really all about having as high percentage as possible. Now, anyone that says they have a 80, 90, 100% win ratio, guys, they're straight up lying to you, because it is impossible to have such a high win ratio. It's physically impossible, because if we really look at the math, if you were able to just double every single day, which is just take one, like let's say you start with 1 cent and you just doubled it every single day, I think by the end of the month you would have, like, I think it's like $16 million or something like that. So it's impossible for someone to have a 100% win ratio. I see guys on like Instagram and TikTok all the time claiming, oh, we win almost all of the trades. Guys, it's impossible. So never ever trust anyone that says that they win every single trade. It's physically impossible. And all we're trying to do is we're trying to just win most of the trades. That's all it really comes down to. All right, guys. So we just hit stop loss on these trades. And remember, because I'm risking less than 1% of my balance, it's okay. So basically, let's say if you had $1,000 account, just so I can put it into perspective for you guys. Let's say I had a $1,000 account. Basically, this hitting my stop loss was like a $10 loss. So it's not really that big of a deal. All I have to do is I just have to wait for the reversal, and then I just have to follow my strategy consistently without getting emotionally involved or emotionally attached or upset or any of those things, because I know that over time this strategy is profitable. So there's no reason for me to be worried at all. All I have to do is I have to continuously just be consistent. Now, I'm the only one that can actually show you my trading history, and let me show you guys how much I've done over the past. So let's see. These are the over the past 3 months. And guys, remember, nobody else will be able to show you this. So you guys can see. Obviously, I have some losing trades, and I have a whole bunch of winning trades, and I have some losing trades, and I have some winning trades. Uh, but at the end of the day, over the past 3 months, and remember, nobody else will be able to show you this. Let's see, over the past 3 months, how much have I done? Over the past 3 months, I've done 39,300. So not bad at all. For trading on just around a 250 to $300,000 account, making about $40,000. Not bad at all. What's up, Positron? Positron saying, aka with the order book. Thanks, Positron. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys all for the likes, the comments. I appreciate all you guys, and make sure if you guys are new, make sure to ask all of the questions that you guys have when it comes to trading in the chat right now, because that's what I'm here for. I'm here to walk you guys through the whole process of how I started, what to do, what not to do, and, you know, basically A to Z. And if this is something that you guys want to learn, make sure you guys give me a follow, turn your live notifications on, because I come live twice every single day and I walk you guys through the whole process. We do a few trades, and you guys are able to see how I enter, why I enter, where I enter, how I set my stop loss, take profit, what is it, all of those things. Felix is saying, what stocks do you recommend starting on? So here's the thing. We actually, we can trade basically any of the major stocks, but what I always want to do, Felix, is I like to trade more volatile pairs. What are volatile pairs? It means pairs with a lot of movement. So that's basically, for example, Bitcoin, gold, USD, JPY, and like those pairs have a lot of movement. And the one thing that I will say that a lot of people when they're starting trading might not know, but you'll obviously know now. When you're trading, it doesn't really matter what market or what pair that you're trading, because making money, let's say you make 100 points of profit, let's say you make 100 points on Bitcoin. It's the same thing as making 100 points on gold. It's the same thing as making 100 points on any stock like Tesla. It's the same thing as making 100 points on any forex pair like USD JPY. It's all the same thing, right? So it doesn't matter what pair to trade. What really matters is just having a consistent strategy and making sure you're risking as little as possible. So what I would do is I would start with, at least like 10 to 50,000 in the account, and then risk like 50 cents to a dollar, because I could do thousands and thousands and thousands of trades and gain practice and gain experience without actually, having a huge hit to the wallet. Because what's happening is, what's it called? Uh, Jesse's asking, what's the minimum amount of investment to start day trading with? Now, here's the thing. Like I was saying, I would start with at least 10 to 50,000, if not like 100, 200,000. But in reality, if you don't have that, what I would start with is at least 1 to 5,000. Just put it in the account, and then I would risk 50 cents to a dollar while I learn, while I practice, and then grow the account slow and steady. Uh, Hopefully, Jesse, that answered your question. Now, just saying, please show us price action analysis that you're using. So, basically, thanks for being here, Skinsy. Appreciate you. What's up, Siawash? So, now what I'm basically looking for is for the super trend to reverse. Then I entered the trade. So right here we can see the super trend is green. What I would do is I would wait for this to start turning red. And as soon as it turns red, then I'd be looking for a short position. Also, if we get a signal right here in the JST signals bot, then I would enter a sell trade. And also right here, once I get a reversal on the range bars, then I would be looking for a sell trade as well. All right, so let's see. Right here, we're getting a reversal on the Bitcoin range bars. So what I'm going to do is, as soon as we start to get a push up, which is happening right now, let's enter a short position. As soon as we push up a little further, let's see. All right, guys. So you guys can see right here, the range bars are starting to go red. So I'm going to just enter a short position right here. There we go. So I just entered a sell trade. Now I'm going to set my stop loss and take profit right away. So you guys know what it is. On a bottle, it's very easy. I just click and drag my entry up right here to 2000. I'm going to click and drag my entry down to about 2000. There we go. Now I've set my stop loss and my take profit. And now we're just going to let this trade ride out and let's see what happens. All right, guys. So this trade is still hovering, but we're around $172, $200 in profit, 278. Let's go. Uh, F dot is saying, "What's up, F dot? How you doing?" F dot saying, "What's your entry?" So my entry is sell position at 61,708, and that's where I just entered my sell trade, and my take profit is at 61,508. And guys, congratulations to everybody following along. We're at $900. We're at $1,000 in profit. um and noticing what's your risk reward exactly. Positron got it. I always set it at 1-to-1 ratio, and guys, the reason I set it to 1-to-1 is because I need to give the trade enough room to be able to move, to be able to breathe. Because what a lot of people do is they'll set their stop loss very tight, and then the market just moves a little bit against them and they get kicked out. And it's really just, it's crazy because they'll just get kicked out of the trade too early, and then they'll see, oh no, the market goes and it's going to where their take profit was. Positron is saying, I'm in this one with you for sure. Hopefully we hit take profit. That would be amazing. Let's just see what happens. And there we go. So the range bars are showing a nice downtrend on Bitcoin starting. So let's see. And guys, there we go. We're at $1,100, $1,200 in profit on this trade that we just entered. $1,300 in profit. That is amazing. Congratulations to everybody following along. Yeah, let's get started. What's up, John Lai? What's up, Abdi Tate? How you guys doing? What's up, the King 7? What's going on? And basically, what I'm doing is I'm here, and every single day when I come live in about an hour or two, I'm able to make what people make in a whole month, or sometimes, like, if you're on a really good salary, what you'd make in a whole week, and I'm able to make it in front of you guys right here. Positron just hit take profit. Congratulations, Positron. I'm at about $1,500. in profit. So I'll be hitting my take profit soon, hopefully. So that is amazing. Congratulations to everybody who's following along. This is basically how we do it. We come here live, we do a bunch of trades, we make a bunch of money, and I walk you guys through the whole process. What's up, Aaron Singh? How you doing? Hopefully you guys can learn something new every single day, because at the end of the day, you know, this is something that has really just changed my whole life, because I don't work a job, I don't have anything else. Like, this is all I do, and I do this for about maybe 2 hours, 3 hours a day. And for all of those 2 to 3 hours a day, what's up, Hamid? How you doing? Welcome. Now, for those 2 to 3 hours a day, I'm here live with you guys, and I show you guys how I do it. I don't have a boss. I don't have to, really just ask anyone to use the bathroom or do any of those crazy things. As long as I have my as long as I have my laptop, and as long as I have an internet connection, I'm able to set. Even when I go on vacation, usually I just sit for about 2, 3 hours a day, and I'm able to pay off that whole vacation in just a few days, which is amazing. And I don't have to uh, work for like 9 to 8 p.m., be stuck in traffic for like 2, 3 hours at a time. Like, that's an insane lifestyle. And if that's something that you're trying to get out of, if that's something that you really you're getting tired of doing it, uh, definitely learn a side hustle. And this, for me, is the best side hustle, because what we can do is, there's so much opportunity. And the nice thing about being able to trade in today's time really is that we have crypto, so we can trade at any time. We don't have to wait till the New York session or the Asia session. We don't have to wait for any of those. Even on the weekends, we're able to take advantage of the markets. We're able to take advantage of trading. So if you guys want to start, guys, right now, all of you guys, take a screenshot, go to abado.com. That's where I'm trading right now. Don't waste time. Get your account set up on Abado. It's the best trading platform that I've used so far. They have zero commission, zero swap. And guys, let me show you guys one thing that's really crazy and you've never seen it before. So there's a trading bot feature. So I know a lot of you guys have seen these guys trying to sell their trading bots. Guys, why would you do that when Abado has automated trading bots right here? So if you click the trading bot store, guys, check this out. They have so many trading bots available, and all, like, if you want to add them to your chart. So guys, look at this. There's like 4,000 people using this trading bot. There's like 6,000 people using this trading bot. There's like 5,000 people using. There's 10, like almost 10,000 people using this trading bot. What you do is you would click it. Wait, let's go. Yeah, you would click it, and then it basically tells you what this bot does. It enters here, it enters there, and all you have to do is right here you click install free, and you can get automated trading bots right on the Abado platform, which is crazy. Let's click another one, B-Bands Trade. And basically, this is going to show you what this bot is going to do. It's going to be based on the Bollinger Bands indicator, and it shows you how to add it to your chart right here. And you can do this without knowing how to code. And this is the only platform that I've seen that has built-in bots that you can add to your chart. So let's say we click this one, it'll walk you through that bot. Let's say we click this one, it'll, canal lagger trade. It'll show you, okay, what does this bot do? How does it work? How to add it to the chart, etc., etc. Guys, I've never seen this on any other platform. So if you're looking for the best platform to trade on, guys, right now, go to abado.com. The link is in my bio as well. So make sure you guys give me a follow and turn your notifications on, because I'm live here every single day. And guys, check it out. We're over $1,000 in profit on this trade that we just did in front of you guys. So don't waste time. Get started right away. And yeah, go to abado.com, get your account set up. I'll show you guys how to fund the account and get started. So what we would want to do is, on the top right corner right there, you click your email, and then it'll take you to your profile section. And once you're there, all you got to do is right here on the top left corner, You just click deposit funds, and then they have multiple ways to deposit. So they have either cryptocurrency or they have debit or credit card and Skrill. So you guys can get started right away. And guys, the nice thing about Abato is they give you 5% deposit bonus. So let's say you wanted to start with 10, or let's say you wanted to start with 500. If I was to deposit 10,000, I would just get $500 as a bonus. Uh, Definitely take advantage of that 5% bonus. It's actually amazing. And there we go. So that's how we would deposit. Now, a lot of people are looking for prop trading firms. So over here on Abato, there's already a prop trading thing built in. So you guys can do. You guys can do $100,000 challenge or a $250,000 challenge. Now, the way that these challenges work is that if you pay the 497, if you can make a $10,000 profit target on this $100,000 account that they give you, then basically you'll get funded. You'll become a funded trader with $100,000 account, which is insane. So definitely check it out. Just by following the rules, if you make 10K on the 100K, they actually give you $100,000 account to trade with. And guys, check this out. We are now at around $1,500 in profit, and let's see how that goes. So congratulations to everybody who's following along. All right, guys. We're at $1,600 in profit. Let's see how this goes. And for everybody who's just watching, welcome to the live. I'm here every single day. I'm doing these live trades, answering all your questions, showing you guys exactly how it works, how to get started. And the best part about this is that it's completely for free. To learn, it's completely for free. I basically, so guys, you know how you guys pay like $100,000 to go to school or $50,000 to go to school, and you end up with just like a minimum wage job without any actual skills. This is one thing that you'll be able to learn this skill, how to navigate the markets, how the markets actually move. Guys, we just made another $2,000. Congratulations. What's up? What's up, Mitchell? How you doing? What's going on? Music is pretty loud. Okay, that's hilarious. Okay, I can turn it down a little bit, but look, at the end of the day, we just made $2,000, another $2,000 in the books, and you guys saw it happen, and you guys see this every single day. Now, basically, what I was saying was that if I know you guys pay thousands of dollars to go to school, I know you guys spend years and years going to school trying to learn, and you still end up with just a regular job. But what I'm doing here is I've made a whole course, a whole trading course, and I'm giving it to you guys completely for free. So I want you guys to spend at least 20 minutes to half an hour a day uh, going and watching all of those videos. And all those videos are found on our website, jststream.com. Just follow the steps and you can get access to all of this information completely for free. All you got to do is make sure you give me a follow, go to the link in the bio, and get started right away. All right, guys. So now what we're going to do is we're right here. The super trend is still green. Let's see if we get a little bit of a push back down, and then I will be entering, a long position so that we can ride this trend up right now. Leaf Nation is saying, just joined. How much did you invest to gain that $1,500 recent profit? So it was actually $2,000 that we just did. And what I'm doing is I'm doing a 10 lot size trade. Now, what I'm doing is I'm risking less than 1% of my balance. So Crypto Shark is saying short everything. Let's see. Chika83 saying, put your hand down, brother. So here's the thing. If you want access to all of the links, all you got to do is you can go to abato.com, or the other thing you can do is the links are in my bio. So make sure you guys give me a follow and go to my bio and just go to the links there. Everything is available there. The course that I've made is completely for free. Remember, I'll never charge you guys anything to learn. Um, it should be completely for free. All right, guys. So basically, right here we can see on the range bars we're having this nice big uptrend on Bitcoin. As soon as this goes red, as soon as it goes red, I'm going to be entering a short position. So we're just waiting for that. There we go. So we're getting that red candle forming. So what we're going to do is we're going to enter a short position right here. As soon as we get a little bit of a higher push up, um, there we go. So let's enter a short position. I just entered this sell trade right now. Noticing what's the time frame. So the time frame I'm trading on is the 5 minute chart. Now I'm going to set my stop loss and take profit. Uh, Basically, what I would do is basically what I'm doing is I'm setting my stop loss right here at 2,000. I'm setting my take profit also right there at $2,000. So Leaf Nation, what I would start my account with is at least 10 to 50,000, but I know some people don't have 10 to 50,000, so I would at least start with 1 to 5K. Now, with 1 to 5,000, what I would do is I would risk a maximum of like $10 per trade. And the reason for that is because I want to minimize my risk. I want to risk as little as possible and grow this account slow and steady. Now, a lot of people, what they think about trading is that it's gambling. Now, what I want to clarify is that I treat trading like a business, right? And that's why I'm able to be profitable. And guys, we just entered this trade, and congratulations, we're at $500 in profit. Congratulations, congratulations. We just entered this trade. We're at $600, $700 in profit. Congratulations to everybody. Oh my God, we're at $800. That was amazing. Basically, we're at what someone would make in a whole week. And I think it took less than 1 minute. And the reason that I'm able to do this, it's that that thing where everyone says, like for example, Usain Bolt, he trained for 20 years to for that 10 seconds of his life. Basically, this is what it is. I've been trading for over 10 years now, and the reason that it seems so easy is because I've made all those mistakes. And the nice thing about you guys being here is that I'm able to tell you guys all the mistakes that I made so that you don't have to make it, and then you're able to propel your trading journey by those 5 6 years that I spent learning. You guys don't have to spend those years, because I'll tell you exactly what it is not to do and exactly what I do to be able to do this. Now, if you guys want to learn, make sure you guys give me a follow and get your account set up right away, because that way you guys can follow along. They even have demo, so you guys don't have to waste time. So guys, everybody right now, go to abado.com, get your account set up, get it funded, get started, and then join my live here every single day so you guys can see the process, you guys can practice, and you guys can learn a new, side hustle. You can call it. And basically, for me, this is not a side hustle. This is more like this is my full time thing. But by full time, it means, you know, but by full time, it's like 2 to 3 hours a day that I do this. Uh, right here. Mitchell is saying, why didn't the range bars call that? They actually did. That's what I was showing you, Mitchell. So that range bars were having a huge uptrend, on a green uptrend. As soon as the candle went red, I said, "All right, guys, I'm gonna enter this short position," and that's what I did. So this trade was 100% the range bars. Um, uh, Ace Bullet is saying, hi, side yesterday, system not working on 1 minute, 5 minute, only works on 1 hour. So actually, Ace Bullet, it works on all time frames, and the reason is because my strategy is not based on time at all. I don't do any analysis based on time. All my analysis is based on price movement only and the reversals. That's what we're trying to catch, and I'll explain this further in a bit as well. Uh, Positron, yeah, exactly. What's it called? Lufa is saying, do you trade every day? Yeah, Lufa, I'm here every single day doing all of these trades live. And guys, congratulations. We just entered this trade. We're at 1100, sorry, $1,100 in profit on this trade. Uh, Wayne and Lufa, I'm here every single day. So make sure you guys give me a follow. turn your live notifications on so that you can join live daily and follow along. And make sure that you guys go to abado.com and get your account set up right away. I wouldn't use any other trading platform because anywhere else I go, I know that I'm going to get wrecked on the fees. The platform just won't have the super trend. The platform won't have all these features. They have so many fees on the other platforms. I get these messages all the time where it's like, hey, AKA, I was in profit and then, I closed the trade and now, I'm in negative. How did that happen? And then I check out the platform and then they send me a screenshot and I check. They have maker, taker fees, commission, swap, spreads, and they're getting wrecked. So Abado is the only platform, Abado and TradeXN, that I used to use. I still actually use it. Uh, exactly, Lufa. It's because you're probably using the wrong platform. So, guys, make sure you guys go to abado.com. And I'm always looking for these type of brokers that have the lowest fees because it really does make a huge difference. It's like when you're starting a business, you go to the most expensive distributor and you're new in the industry and you're trying to sell your product, but because your cost is higher than what you can sell it at, it's it's basically impossible for you to make money. So that's exactly what's going on. Uh, all right. So Mitchell Wayne is saying I'm able to understand 100 basis points. Yeah. So basically, what I'm doing is I'm setting my stop loss and take profit at 1-to-1 risk reward ratio about 100 points above, 100 points below, and that's why you guys can see that uh nice difference between, from my entry to my exit positions. And the reason I've said that is because I can give the trade enough room to be able to breathe and it doesn't kick me out. uh, oh, Mitchell is saying, you've heard no sound indicator. Yeah. Oh, so I actually have it muted right now, but the audio signals are still going. But guess what, Mitchell? What we've done is we've put all of the signals into our Telegram channel, so it gives you notifications. All of the trades that I'll be taking, it'll give you the notifications right on your phone, which is amazing, and it's completely free. Obviously, Mitchell, we never charge anyone for anything, and the reason is because we're just trying to build the world's largest, most profitable trading community. Um, so if you guys want to get access to that, don't waste time. Make sure you guys give me a follow. And Lufa, welcome to the family. Let's get started. So yeah, go to abado.com, get your account set up, and all of the links are in my bio. So the links for the signals, the links for the range bars, everything is in my bio. So don't waste time and get started right away. Uh, let's see, Telegram group on the, yeah, exactly, this is the Telegram channel. So we get all of the signals, you guys can see. So it says, this is amazing because it says like buy or sell and it tells you the exact entry, where to set stop loss and take profit. Now I'll show you guys. You also get access to this, guys. This is amazing and I'll show you what this is. Okay, so right here, yeah, of course, Mitchell. I know you're an OG, just like Positron, just like HSM, just like Bullpen Trader. Uh, all of you guys are OGs. I appreciate all you guys. You guys been here since the beginning. So, guys, you get access to this pro tips channel as well. Basically, every single hour, right on your phone, you'll get a tip that will help you to understand how trading works, how to be in the right mindset. So for example, right here, this is exactly what I was talking about. Remember? So this trading tip is actually amazing. Trade wide, not just one. So don't put your eggs all in one market. Trading multiple pairs opens up more opportunities. So points, basically 50 points or 50 points, no matter where you make them. Exactly. Now what's happening is a lot of people, they're in this mindset of, oh, I'm only going to trade gold. Oh, I'm only going to trade Bitcoin. Oh, I only trade, for example, like Tesla. Now, here's the thing, regardless of the market, it doesn't matter what market it is, making 50 points or 100 points or 200 points on any market is all the same thing. Now, that is a great trading tip. Now, remember, you get access to all of this. Oh my God, guys, we just hit take profit for another $2,000. Congratulations. Congratulations to everybody following along. There we go. the range bars pulling through every single day, just how they've been doing. So congratulations, and Mitchell, for sure. I know you've been here for a long time. Welcome back, and welcome to everybody who's joining this live. We just did another $2,000 trade, so congratulations. And guys, if you want to start and you don't want to waste time, get started right away. Go to abado.com and make sure you guys give me a follow. All the links are in the bio. Get your account set up today, because guess what? You don't want to end up being like 90 years old and then remembering, oh, yeah, I remember, now I'm on a pension of like $2,000 a month, and, I can't afford whatever it is. I can't even afford groceries. And, I remember this guy, AKA on TikTok. I wish I just learned something new. So, guess what? Over here, you're able to learn all of this exactly how I do this, completely for free without even paying a penny. And you basically have nothing to lose. I'm giving you a course that you would go anywhere else and pay like $5,000, $10,000 for. I'm giving it to you for free, and I'll show you right here. So when you join, if you join the Telegram channel, or you just go to our website and then you go to our JST stream bot, you can see right here. So you can access the trading signals. It's very easy steps to follow. What the trading platform is, you can actually see our track record. So you can see all of the trades that we take. You can see if they're profitable, if they're losing trades, because you guys know we don't hide anything. And then the training videos right here. And the reason we don't hide anything is because I'm not selling you anything. So I don't have to actually be scared or hide anything. It doesn't matter. You get the real information right here. Now, if you click training videos, this is available right here in the Telegram channel and in the bot and on our website. So guys, if you're just starting out, you can watch these videos. Look, how-to videos. This is basically a whole course that you would pay like $10,000 for, but I'm giving it to you guys completely for free. And all you got to do is give me a follow and join using the link in the bio. So every single day, I want you guys to now make a goal. Make a goal that every day you're going to spend at least 20 minutes to half an hour, watch a couple of these videos, and just learn. And who knows, this might be the game changer for you. This might, this, because one guy, we've had a lot of people who've done really well using the system. We actually had one of our guys, really good guy, like he's been with us for years. He took his account from $2,000, and I think in 2 3 weeks he was just trading full time. He went from $2,000 to $11,000, and he showed me his trading history. He's like, AKA, check this out. I'm at $11,000 from $2,000. I was like, that's amazing. And all he did was, he just followed the strategy to the T, which was amazing. So, guys, there's so much information that you can learn, and you can just get access to this completely for free. So, why waste time? Get started right away. Make sure you give me a follow. Join the links in the bio. And, guys, right now, go to abado.com. Get your account set up. You can fund it right away. I'll show you how to fund it. Abado.com. Just take a screenshot. The link is also in the bio. Now, what you're going to do is click your email on the top right corner of the platform, then click deposit funds. Uh, Now, they have two options here: cryptocurrency or credit, debit card, and Skrill. And Kuldeep, for sure. Let's see if we can do some more trades here as well. Now, right here, you would click credit or debit card. Now, you would enter the amount you want to deposit. So let's say you want to do 1,000 or 5,000 or 10, 50, 100,000, whatever it is. And then, the nice thing is you get that 5% deposit bonus. What's up, Pratt Mav? Welcome, Sands. Welcome, Pappies. Welcome, Kev. Kev, how you guys doing? Now, let's say you were to deposit, for example, 10,000, you get $500 just as a bonus. And let's say you were to do $1,000, you would get $50 as a bonus, which is not bad at all. And I know a lot of people are looking for prop firms. Now, if you're looking for prop firms, why would you go anywhere else? Because right here they have prop trading. So they have these funded account challenges. So they have $100,000 challenge and a $250,000 challenge. Now, a lot of people might be wondering, what are funded accounts? How does it work? What is it? Now, funded accounts, the way it works is you pay to do a challenge. So you'd pay for example, $497, which doesn't seem like a lot, but then you get the ability, if you can make $10,000 on this $100,000 account that they give you, you actually get a funded account. So you then become a funded trader. So they'll give you an account with 100,000, and now whatever you profit from there, you'll be able to get a profit split from it. So it costs less than $500 to take this challenge, and all you have to make is $10,000 on a 100K account, which is crazy. Now if you want to level up, you can also do the $250,000 challenge. It costs just under 1,000, and if you can make 25,000 on a 250K account, you get funded with a $250,000 account, which is insane. So basically, and the nice thing is you can use bots, you can use whatever system indicators, whatever you want to do this challenge, which is crazy. So guys, get started right away. And yeah, let's not waste time. All of this is found on abado.com. That's the platform that I'm trading on. Let's see if we can do another trade, guys. Let's go back to our signals channel right here, and let's see what the next trade that we're going to do is. So right here we are pushing up. The super trend is showing green. I'll walk you guys through what the super trend is. So basically, the super trend shows us which way the current trend is going. So when it's green, that means that we're in an uptrend, and when it's red, that means we're in a downtrend. Now, for example, let's see right here, the super trend went green right here. Imagine just entering long positions or buy trades and being able to ride this huge trend up. That would be amazing. And what we're doing is we're just looking for the next reversals. Now imagine right here entering another long position or a buy trade, and we're riding this huge thing up. It's insane. Now the nice thing about trading, and this is why, let me explain to you why I would always rather be a trader rather than an investor, is because as a trader, I'm able to make money whether the market's going up or whether the markets are going down, because we have these two options. Now, this is something a lot of people don't really know. So now, if I was to enter a buy trade, this one makes sense to everybody. It's, if the market goes up, I make money. But now we have another independent position that we're able to take, which is the sell trade or a short position. The way that this works is, if I was to enter a sell trade or a short position, if the markets come down, I'm able to make money, which is insane. Now, what happens is, as we all know, guys, there we go. We're getting this push back down. We can see on the range bars we're in an uptrend. We're getting this push down. The super trend is showing that we're still in an uptrend. Let's go ahead and enter a buy trade right now. I just entered a long position. I'm going to set my stop loss and take profit. And on a bottle, it's very easy. Now we're going to do another $2,000 trade. So I'm going to click and drag this down, and and it shows me right here the profit or loss, $2,000. I'm going to click and drag my entry up to $2,000 here as well. There we go. So I just entered this buy trade. I set my stop loss. I set my take profit. Now, if we push down lower, I'll enter another buy position. Let's go. Mitchell is saying, can you do a quick overview of the Abado site and where everything is? Mitchell is saying, I'm used to trade XN. Positron saying, let's do this. For sure. So the way that Abado works is it's actually super simple. Once you register, right here, what you do is on the left side, you have all of your pairs. You can search, whichever pair you want. They have crypto, they have commodities, indices, whatever you want to trade. Abado has it. Now, once you go there, the indicators are found in this top bar right here. It's actually amazing because they have this thing called the indicator store. Let's click the indicator store now. You can add whatever indicator you want. They have hundreds and hundreds of indicators. And the nice thing is it tells you. So if you click the indicator, it'll tell you how the indicator works, what to look for, what's a buy signal. So you can see right here. this is how you use this indicator. This is the buy signal, bulls bear power. Now guys, check this out. It even tells you on Abato how many people are using this indicator. There's 11,000 people using whatever this indicator is, bull bears power. And all you do is you click install free and it gets added to your chart. Now the main indicator that I'm using is called the super trend. So let's search right here for super. You can see, guys, there's 11,600 people using the super trend indicator on Abato. Igo is saying, what's the site or app? Igo, so here is the platform that I'm using. It's called abato.com. So you can take a screenshot right now. Go to abato.com. I've been using this for the past, I think, almost a year now. I've been using Abato, and I've been doing quite well. This account I started with about $200,000, and I'll show you guys where I'm at right now. So we started this with 200,000, and guys, you can see we're at $301,700. So we're doing quite well, and you guys know I come here live every single day, and I show you guys all of my trades, exactly how I entered them, where I entered them, why I entered them, and there we go, guys. So we're having this push down. So let's see what happens. We might actually hit our stop loss on this, but that's okay because you guys know I do this here daily, consistently. So let's see what happens. I might enter another buy trade. Let's go ahead and enter another buy trade. I'll set my stop loss and take profit right here. Setting my stop loss, and I'll set my take profit. You guys know I just click and drag my entry up, and that's where I'm going to set my take profit for $2,000. And this one I'm also going to set for $2,000. There we go. All right. There we go. All right, so now I've set my stop loss and I've set my take profit on both of these trades. And let's see what happens. And the reason that I entered this trade is because you guys can see that the super trend is green. And, we got a little bit of a pullback. So what I wanted to do is I want to enter on the pullbacks. And guys, congratulations. The second trade that we entered, we're already in profit, $600 on that trade. And we're just going to let this one ride out. And so for everybody who's just joining, welcome to the live. I'm here every single day. Guys, we're at $900 in profit, $1,100 in profit. Congratulations. Congratulations to everybody who's following along. Um, What's up, Cran? Basically, we're at $1,200 in profit. Now, what I do here is I show you guys how I navigate the markets every single day, how, as a real trader, I'm able to benefit and take advantage of all of these little and small market movements. Guys, we're at $1,400 in profit on this trade we just took. What's up, Rika? How you guys doing? Now, if you guys want to get started, all you got to do is give me a follow and turn your live notifications on, guys, because I'm here every single day. I do these live trades. I show you guys, I answer all your questions. And the best part about it is that TikTok is free, TikTok is live. You never have to pay. Everything here is completely for free. I don't want you guys to ever pay to learn, because I'm here for you guys. I'm here to help. I'm here to walk you guys through it. Guys, we're at $1,500 in profit on this trade that we just entered. What's up, Steve? How you doing? Welcome back. Steve's an OG. Welcome back to the live. And we've been doing quite well. We hit a couple $2,000 trades right now. So Karan is saying, what stock is that? So right now I'm trading Bitcoin, but all of this whole strategy can work on any pair, regardless of whatever it is you're trading, because we have to understand. So this is Bitcoin right now. And what we're doing is we're always trading, waiting for the reversals. All right. So guys, what we're doing is we never enter in the middle of a trend. Either we wait for a pullback and then we enter, or we get the perfect entry at the reversal. So I'll walk you guys through what all of these words mean, because I know a lot of you guys are just starting out. So if you're just starting out, what I want you guys to do is Taffman is saying, so how does it work? Perfect. Kran is saying, do you use supply and demand? No, I don't. I have a strategy. I've tested all of these things that you guys will ever test, and none of those things work. This is the only thing that I've found that actually works, and I'll tell you guys, I'll walk you guys through it right now. So, what I do is I use the super trend indicator to tell me which way the trend is going. What is the super trend indicator? Let me zoom out so you guys can see the super trend indicator is, and I'll show you how to add it. So, the way that the super trend indicator works is you would go right here to your indicators section. You would add the super trend indicator from the indicator store, and this is on a bottle. Uh, and then once you add it to the chart, I don't ever change any settings. Unknown is saying, is this MT5? No. So this is the Abato trading platform. That's where I'm trading. Now, once I have the super trend indicator on the chart, this is the way it works. When it's red, you guys can see right here, when it's red, that means we're in a downtrend. And as soon as it turns green, that means we're in an uptrend. So what I'm waiting for is for it to go from red to green. And this is what's happening right here. So imagine entering a buy trade or a long position, which means that if I enter a buy trade, I make money on the way up. Imagine entering a buy trade right here and riding this whole wave up. That's thousands and thousands of dollars that we can make. Now let's actually go back in history and look for other examples. Now let's look at this example right here. So we were in an uptrend already. Now if right here, we were to enter a sell trade, which means that we're able to make money on the way down. Imagine this huge move down here. That's thousands and thousands of dollars that we can make just by following the trend. Now let's go back and take another example. Right here, we can see we were red, and right here we went into the green on super trend. Imagine entering a buy trade. Look, we can go all the way up here. So now you guys see how the super trend indicator actually works. Now, this is the reason that I entered a buy trade here, is because guess what? The super trend is green, right? The super trend is green. But what happened is I missed this huge move up. So then what do I do? What I would do is I would wait for the market to pull back. So it would go against, the trend a little. And look at my entry right here. I entered as soon as the market came down. And guys, check it out. We're at about $1,200, $1,400 in profit just because of that. Because we were able to see, okay, the market is, the super trend is green. And on the pullback, we were able to get a nice entry. So Mitchell is saying, are you on XAU? No. So right now we're on Bitcoin. We're trading BTC USD right now. And then Taffman is saying, so what's your win rate? So my win rate is around 60 to 65%, and I'm the only one on this planet that will show you my live trading history. I'll go through it right now. J3 is saying, but isn't this a lagging indicator? I don't find it to be lagging at all, actually. I think that, what I do is I use it as a confirmation with the range bars, and I'll go through that J3 right now with you as well. But let me show you guys my trading history so you guys can actually see, okay, does this guy even make any money or not? Okay, because that's usually the first question. So let me show you guys. This is my trading history for the past 3 months. So you guys can see, obviously, guys, I have winning trades and I have losing trades. You guys know it's impossible to have just winning trades. Now you guys can see right here. All right, you guys can see right here. But at the end of the day, if I scroll all the way down, all right, if I scroll all the way down, so guys, remember, this is for 3 months, okay? In the past 3 months, how much have I made? I've made a profit of $43,499. So 43,000, 43,000 500 basically over the past 3 months. And I started this account with about 200,000, and right now we're at $301,000. So I've made about $100,000 on this account overall, which is not bad at all. So let's see. Ace Demo saying I'm on demo. Ace Bullet saying I'm on demo. So here's the thing, Ace. So Ace is saying, since yesterday's system gives error message on all time frames except 1 hour. Now, if we treat trading like a business. If I was to tell you guys, hey, all of you guys, Mitchell, Dennis, Taffman, uh, and Taffman is saying any giveaways. Taffman, I was thinking the exact thing. So what I was thinking was for all of you guys who get your account set up, get started, and you guys are actively trading over the next week or over the next 2 weeks. What I'll do is I will personally do $1,000 giveaway for anyone who's actually getting started, who's actually showing that they're putting in effort. I might do $1,000 account giveaway where I'll basically fund your account with $1,000. So if that's something that you guys want me to do, put it in the chat. Just put W in the chat, guys. If you guys want me to do $1,000 giveaway, that would be pretty crazy. I've never done a giveaway before, but you know what, Taffman? I was thinking about the same thing. All right. Andy saying W. Put W's in the chat if you guys want me to do a giveaway. For sure, for sure. Necule, Rika, Naud, Eduardo, Positron, for sure, for sure. All right, you guys seem like you guys want $1,000 giveaway. I mean, I can do it because you guys saw we just made around $4,000, so I don't mind doing $1,000 giveaway. So you know what? Just like every other indicator, it might have a little bit of lag, but it doesn't really matter because at the end of the day, as long as we're following a strategy consistently, that's all that matters. All right, guys. So get your account set up on a bottle, start trading, get started right away. Don't waste time. And what we'll do is, we'll pick someone who is, who's joined the Telegram, who's getting the signals, who's followed all the instructions, and we'll pick one of you guys over the next, let's say, 2 weeks, to do the giveaway of $1,000. All right, guys, let's see what's going on here. So yeah, go to abato.com, get your account set up. All of the information, all of the links are in my bio. So make sure you guys give me a follow, join the links in the bio, and get started right away, guys. Because at the end of the day, if I can change even one person's life, if you guys start making money, you guys are doing well, that is amazing. Because you guys, making money in the markets doesn't affect me making money in the markets, doesn't affect anyone else making money in the markets. That's what it comes down to. So let's see. Yeah, Mitchell is saying he's just gonna start $1,000 account just to get used to it. Exactly. Yeah. Just start. At least like a $1,000 to $5,000 account. That's what I would do, and then I would just start practicing with the smallest lot size possible. Yeah, Steve. You know what? I never found. The what's it called, the super trend indicator to be too laggy. I think it's really good. I think once it confirms the trend, it does reverse. J3 saying, how much do you have to trade with to make $2,000 per day? So the way that I do it is, remember, it's the 1% rule that we only risk, we risk less than 1% of our balance. Guys, let's see if we can enter another trade because we're getting another pullback here. Let's do a third trade. Third trade right now. I just entered another buy trade. And let's see. Let me set my stop loss right here at $2,000, and I'll set my take profit right here at $2,000. So guys, we have 3 trades open right now, 3 buy trades, and we have set our stop loss and take profit at $2,000 each. Let's see what happens now. J3, to answer your question, basically to make $2,000, what I would do is I would at least have uh, like $100,000-$200,000 in the account. And now let me tell you something. To make the $2,000, you can basically I can even have 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, but then I'd be risking huge percentages. And the main goal, the only reason that I'm able to be profitable is because I'm risking very small percentages, is because I'm being very safe, That's why I'm able to be profitable. All of the profit that you guys see here is just a side effect of safety. As long as I'm being safe, I'm able to be profitable. I'm able to make money. It's all because of safety. It's all because I'm being safe. Now, basically, that's what I'm trying to do here, and that's what I'm trying to tell you guys is that, yeah, you'll see a lot of these guys who are like, oh, I started with $5,000 and I turned it into $1 million. Now, obviously, like that's like winning a lottery ticket. So obviously it's possible, but what's the probability of that? What is the probability? Like, what are the chances? The chances are very low. Is it possible? Is it possible to take 5,000 to like 200,000 or 500,000? Yeah, of course it's possible. But what are the chances? The chances are probably really low. But let's say we take a bigger account. Let's say we take 10,000. Is it possible to make $100? Yeah. If we take $100,000, is it possible to make, 1,000 on 100,000? Yeah. Like that's possible. But taking 1,000 and trying to make it into 100,000, I mean, yeah, that's possible, but that's going to take a lot of luck. It's going to take a lot of skill. It's going to take a lot of, effort to be able to do that. Almost maybe even impossible to do that. Uh, I mean, yeah, it is possible, but the chances are very low. Mitchell is saying, how do you set your stop loss and take profit? And how do you set? Okay, so I set it at 1-to-1 ratio at about 100 to 200 points. And guys, on a bottle, Mitchell, it's actually super easy to set your stop loss and take profit. All you do is you click your entry box, which is right here on the left side, and then you can click and drag it up and down. Drag it up if you're in a buy to set your take profit, drag it down to set your stop loss. It is so easy and it is so instant, and it tells you how much profit and loss is happening. It is amazing. So guys, definitely get started right away. And I always set it at 1-to-1 ratio. You guys can see all my trades are set at 1-to-1 ratio. And when it's set at 1-to-1 ratio, what it's doing is it's giving the trade enough room to be able to move, and we're really not wasting time with the numbers. It's really easy to set your stop loss and take profit right away. All right, so let's see how these trades ride out, guys, because we have three trades open for $2,000 each. um, Mitchell Hendricks is saying, what's 100 points? Let's say your entry's at 61,500. uh, Six, yeah, so right now I'm doing 200 points, but basically I usually do around 100 points. So at 100 points, if my entry is at 61,500, exactly, it'd be at 61,400 below and 61,600 above. So 100 above, 100 below. So guys, the way that points work in on Bitcoin, for example, is $1 is 1 point. Okay, so if it moves $100 up, that's 100 points. If it moves $200 up, that's 200 points. Uh, on gold, for example, let's say if we go to gold, 1 cent is 1 point. So if it moves up $1, that's 100 points. If it moves down $1, that's 100 points. Yeah, for sure. So, for sure. Hopefully, Mitchell, that answered your question. And guys, there we go. We're starting to move up. And check this out. We're at $500 in profit on one trade and $1,300 in profit on the other trade. Let's see what happens, guys. So, we have $6,000 in open trades right now. And there's nobody else. I can guarantee you there's nobody else who's doing this anywhere on the internet, on TikTok, Instagram, wherever it might be. Nobody else. We're the only ones that will do this. Oh my God, guys, check this out. Check this out. We're at $700 in profit on one, $1,500 in profit. Guys, all three of our trades are now in profit. Congratulations. Congratulations to everybody following along. $1,900 in profit on one and $1,000 in profit. Guys, our open profit is $3,600, $3,800. Guys, $2,000 in profit on that. Are we going to hit take profit? Oh my God, that's insane. Guys, check out our open profit, 3,500. That's insane. That's basically someone's monthly salary that we have an open profit right now. That's insane. A little bit of a push up, and we'll hit our take profit on this trade. And guys, look at the range bars. They're showing a nice big uptrend. That's insane. There we go. Congratulations. That's one trade down, $2,000 in profit. Let's go. Let's go. Um, Ace Bullet is saying, "What's the best time frame for taking profit?" So basically, the nice thing about the strategy is that we're not really worried about time frame at all. We're setting it based on market price. So basically, you know, I'm trading on a 5 minute time frame. Just so you know, I'm trading on a 5 minute. Um, on a 5 minute time frame. That's what I'm trading. And guys, our second trade is also getting close to our take profit. Taffman is saying AK Positron is saying AK fire. That's amazing. Uh, Taffman is saying trading becomes easy when you have money in your bank account. Now, here's the thing. What I would do is, and what I actually did was I kept just whatever I could add to my trading account. Let's say it's $500, this week. I would add the $500. Then next week I would add another 500. Guys, we just hit another $2,000 in profit. Congratulations, congratulations. That's how we do it. That's a second trade, 2 out of 3. The third one is still open. Taffman, basically, I would continue to add to my trading account so I at least get it up to like 1 to 5,000, and then I would start trading and just minimize my risk and grow the account slow and steady, get practice in, gain experience, and that's how I started. Abe's is saying, how do you set up bars and the price line? So Abe, let me walk you through it. So right now I'm on abado.com. That's where I'm trading right now. So what I do is I'm on the 5 minute chart, and then I just add the super trend indicator, which I'll walk you through right now. Guys, we're at on the third trade, we're at $1,500 in profit. So close. Now, Abe's. Now, what I would do is go to my indicator section on the top left, and then, guys, I think. Oh my God, my mic died. Guys, congratulations! We just hit our third trade in a row for $6,000 total. I think today has. Oh my God, look at our trading history, guys. Look at our trading history. $2,000. This is all today. 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. We just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. Guys, $10,000 just right now on this live. $10,000. Guys, show me anyone else who's doing this. I can guarantee you nobody else is doing this. That is insane. So that's a pretty great way to end our day, for today. So let me just show you guys in the past 3 months. Guys, what do you guys think the number is? In the past 3 months, I've done $49,000. We just did $10,000 today. Uh, Kuldeep is saying didn't have too much money in, but closed in profit. Congratulations, Kuldeep. Congratulations, Positron. Everybody else was following along. We just did $10,000, and just in the past 3 months, I've done almost $50,000 in profit, which is amazing. So, guys, why waste time? Come here, learn something new every day. You guys should follow along. Make sure you guys give me a follow and get your account set up. Go to abado.com and get your accounts set up right now today. Remember, I'm going to think about doing a giveaway in about 2 weeks, okay? But it's only for people who've gotten started, who followed the steps. And remember, the steps are completely free to get access to the Telegram channel. Everything is free to get access to the range bars. You just have to have a live account. If you have a live account and you get started and you show me you're putting in effort in the next 2 weeks, I'm going to pick someone to give $1,000 in their trading account. So don't waste time. Get started right away. Go to abado.com. And guys, I think we're going to call it a day here for this live. Uh, so let's see what happens. Lucky is saying, did you use the range bar system for these 3 recent trades? Yeah, so I actually used the range bars for I used the range bars as a confirmation for all of these trades, and it was because I was using the super trend indicator as a confirmation as well. So I was looking at the super trend indicator. I was saying, okay, we're in an uptrend. We got this pullback, and on this pullback, we entered one, two, three trades. And because the super trend indicator stayed green, and on the range bars, we were seeing a pullback. So I entered and then set my stop loss, take profit for all three, and then it was like bam, 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 and we hit our take profit for all three. Lucky loosh. So hopefully that answers your question, and that's what I'm here for. I'm here to explain to you guys how this whole process worked, how to get started, how I started, and what not to do. Guys, don't risk huge percentages of your account balances. All of the profit that you guys see here is just a side effect of safety. Just because I'm being safe, that's how I was able to make $10,000 in profit, basically back to back to back today only. Yeah, Fridays are amazing. Positron, Lucky Lush saw that. Congrats for sure. Congratulations to you guys for. I know a lot of you guys are always following along, so that was pretty good. So we'll call it a day here for this live. You guys are amazing. I appreciate all you guys. Thanks for the comments, the questions, the likes. You guys really keep this live going. Keep it lively. And let's get started right away, guys. Have a good one. Take care, and we'll see you guys. I might actually hop on another live later tonight. I mean, we did $10,000 today. Let's see what happens later on tonight as well. So let's go. Make sure you guys give me a follow, turn your live notifications on, go to the links in my bio, and just register and just follow along. Let's go, guys. Kareem, the indicator name is called the Super Trend. So when you go to Abado and then you click the indicator tab at the top left, uh, just search for Super Trend. So here, I'll just show you before I leave. And yeah, peace out, Positron. It's always good to see you here. So click the indicators tab on the top, and then click. Uh, yeah, Kareem. Honestly, it's best to just do it on Abado, on the Abado trading platform. So you click indicator store, um, and then just search for super, and then click super trend, and then on the top left right here, you just click super trend indicator. That's so funny. While we've been live, I think a few people have also started using it. So there were 11,000, I think 615 or 11,612 or something like that when I started this live. I think 5 or 6 of you guys have already added the super trend indicator. So you can see it's so funny. Every day when I come live, every day that I come live, there's people that add the super trend indicator, and I can see the number going up, and you guys can see it too. So there's 11,000 people on a bottle right now using the super trend indicator. Balwinder saying, which account should I use? So, guys, Bellwinder, what I would do is go to abado.com. That's where I'm trading. We just made $10,000 live, and you guys can follow along. So go to abado.com. That's the trading platform I'm using. I've been using them for a past little while. I've made, just in the past 3 months, I made $49,000 in profit on this account right here. So go get started right away. Naud is saying, where can I get the range bars? So if you go to the link in the bio, so give me a follow, go to my bio, click there, and then you just need to follow the steps, either on our website, jststream.com, or in the Telegram channel. Just follow the steps, and you'll get access to the range bars. Yeah, Positron, it's actually pretty funny. All right, guys, let's call it a day here. Get started. Go to abado.com, get your account set up. You can get it funded, and just make sure you join the lives daily because we just did $10,000 in profit. I don't know anyone else who's going to be able to show you that. Kareem is saying, what leverage do you use? So the leverage I use is 1 to 500 on this account, Kareem. But I always manage my risk by using the lot size. So I use a smaller lot size compared to my account. Mitchell Hendricks is saying, I'll be trading some more this weekend with my old and new knowledge. For sure, Mitchell. Tapman is saying, can you use this platform in South Africa? For sure, Tapman. I know people all around the world that are using Abato and no one's ever had any issues. John is saying, can you confirm the broker is licensed? Yeah, so they are registered, and I've been using them for a while. I know tons of people who are using them. I've done withdrawals. I know a lot of people that have done withdrawals and deposits. I've never had anyone have any issues. So definitely get started, John. Mitchell is saying also peeping for the giveaway. Yeah. So for sure, hopefully, I'll start to do the giveaway in about 2 weeks. Tapman is saying, what about promo code? If you guys want, if you guys, you guys don't have to, but if you want, if you use the AKPWC promo code, I actually made a promo code here on Abato. Then what happens is every trade that you guys do from their spread commissions, I get a small percentage of the commissions. That would be nice. I would appreciate it if you did it. You don't have to, but it would support a little bit if you use the AKPWC promo code. Uh, Kareem is saying, do you do futures? Yeah, so futures trading, and yeah, you can definitely do futures, but I just do derivatives trading. Can I have the promo code? It's AKA PWC. It's my name right here. Crypto trades. Red Eye is asking. Yeah, so over here on Abato, you can do crypto. You could do stocks, commodities, indices. You could do all of those right here. What's up, FCT? How you doing? Did you trade on S&P? So right now I didn't get. Yeah, so we're getting a Google buy signal right here for in our can you do the Google buy? Dota is asking. Let's go to Google. Let's see. All right. Let's see if we can do a buy on Google. All right. So I just entered a buy trade on Google. I'm going to set my stop loss and take profit right away. And let's set it to $1,000 here and $1,000 right there. There we go. So that's basically how I set my stop loss and take profit on a trade. So I've entered this buy trade on Google, and let's just see what happens. Yeah, Abato has Google. Uh, shorted shorted Bitcoin. I think FCT is saying shorted Bitcoin. Uh, ZZ is saying, what's the time frame? So I'm always trading on the 5 minute time frame. Uh, Tappan is saying, what's the name of the indicator? So the indicator name is Super Trend. John is saying, thank you. Want to try the broker? How much can I fund to enter the competition? So I mean, as long as you fund it with even like a small account, at least like 1,000 to 5,000. Even if you do something like that, we'll do $1,000 giveaway. Whatever you can fund your account with, it's up to you. Shorted S&P. How do you get these calls? Kareem is saying, is it included in JST? Yeah, for sure. So basically, what you have to do is it will give you the signal. So just wait for the signal in the JST stream chat. And it tells you the entry price as well. So right here, it says like what the entry price is and then where you should set your stop loss and take profit. So that's how it works. So if you guys want access to it, you guys can get started right away. So the name of the indicator is Super Trend. The way to add it is when you go to Abato.com, you have your account set up. Click indicators on the top left corner. Go to indicator store. You can add whatever indicator you want, but you just search Super, and then the Super Trend shows up. Guys, we're at 619. That's funny because someone just added the Super Trend indicator. Does it work? Yeah. So Kareem, it works everywhere around the world. I have people from all around the world using the super trend indicator and on Abato and using Abato. No one's ever had any issues so far. So far, so good. There you go, guys. So our Google trade is now moving up. We've almost paid up. hour spread. That was a pretty good. That was a pretty good signal we got from from our Telegram channel. Super trend is great. FCT is saying, um, yeah, the spreads are actually amazing, John, and they have zero commission and zero swap, so there's no reason to really use any other trading platform. Sheridan is saying, how much is it? So, to get access to all of this information, the signals, the all of that, guys, it's completely for free. There's no reason why you guys should have to pay to learn. There's no reason why you guys should have to pay to get access to signals, because you guys know that, you guys just saw me make $10,000 right now. Why would I need to charge you guys anything? It makes no sense. All I want to do is I want to be able to grow this community, and I want it to be one of the most profitable trading communities in the world that you can access completely for free and benefit as many people as possible. And guys, our Google Buy trade, we're already up around $40-50. So congratulations to everybody following along. That was an amazing trade. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to hop off for now, but make sure you guys give me a follow, turn your live notifications on, because I'm here every single day. And get started right away. Go to abado.com, get your. So Sheridan is saying, what's the broker? So guys, the broker, the trading platform I'm using is abado.com. I'll show you guys one thing before I leave, which is the best. It's actually the craziest feature that I've seen on any platform. So at the top over here, uh, if you click trading bots, click trading bots store, you can actually add trading bots for free right on the trading platform. So let's say we select anyone, this canal lagger trade. It gives you an explanation of what this bot does, where it would enter a buy trade, where it would enter a sell trade, all of the information about it. So it'll show you like, oh, over here, this is where you can set your stop loss and take profit. I've never. No, Mitchell, what's your question? Don't worry. I think it's getting lost in the chat. How do you apply the 100 point to a $160 base? So the way I do it is, if I'm using, for example, one lot size on Abado, it makes it really easy, because if I click and drag my entry up, it'll tell you, if I'm doing one lot size, if I drag it up and my profit shows $1, there you go. That's the number. And if I drag it down and my profit and my loss shows $1, that's how you set it. So Abado really makes it quite easy to be able to do that with the drag and drop function. Taffin is saying, how do I make my screen big? So there is this, I think there's this button here on the top. I think if you click this, it will full screen it. Usually what I do is, if you're on Google Chrome, if you click the three buttons on the right side when you're on the platform, click the three buttons, and then it says install to desktop. And then I just install the platform to the desktop, and then I have this huge platform open. And then the other thing that you can do is you can actually drag, you know, this order box. You can drag it. This window here. You can. I think you can close this bar on the right side. You can, uh, you can make this bigger and smaller on the left side. So that's how you're able to make your chart bigger and smaller. Kuldeep is saying, can you give information about S&P 500? So basically, what I would do is I would wait for a signal for the S&P, and then I would take it. Um, that's how it works. Sheridan and Kareem, they're asking, what's the broker and what's your promo code? So guys, the broker that I'm trading on is abado.com. That's a trading platform. The promo code if you guys want to use it, it's my name, aka PWC. You guys can get started right away. Can you install it on MacBook? Yeah, I think you can, as long as you do it on uh, what would you call it, Google Chrome. You can do it from there. Kareem, try the indicator showing you three green lines. Okay, so let me walk you through how to add it. Okay, so click indicators, and then go to indicator store, and then search super. All right, once you search super, click the super trend, and then click install. Now, once you've installed this, X out of it, and then go back to the indicators tab. Under the indicators tab, under the trend drop down, click super trend. Once you click super trend, I would not change any of these settings, and then I click apply. Once I click apply, then I will have the super trend indicator on my chart. For sure, Mitchell. Appreciate you being here. Have a good one, and hopefully we'll see you. Kareem, it worked. Okay, amazing, amazing. Congratulations. Ichimoku saying super trend. Exactly. Yeah, you got it, Ichimoku. Uh, CZ is saying, are the signals given by the broker? No. So these signals are from us. Uh, they're from our trading algorithm and trading strategy that we've made. So all these signals, everything that you see here, like the signals and the range bars, that's all from us. Now the broker is completely separate, but the broker has a lot of good features that I've been using. So that's why I've been using Abato, because they have zero commissions, zero swap trades. Guys, our Google trade that we just took, this Google buy that we just took is at $220 in profit. That is amazing. Congratulations to everybody following along. We're in profit on, so that's what it is. The signals, they're live every single day and they run on all the markets. Don't waste time, get started right away. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to actually hop on. I'll see you guys later on. Make sure you give me a follow. Live notifications on abato.com. The link is in the bio. Get your account set up, fund it, get started right away, and just follow the steps, and you'll get access to all the signals. All right, guys, have a good one. Take care, and we'll see you guys later on. You guys are amazing. All right, I can't leave Taffman hanging. So Taffman, the way to enter a trade is you click either buy or sell, depending on if you want to make money on the way up. You click buy. If you want to make money on the way down, you click sell. And then the first thing I would do is set my stop loss and take profit. So I would click and drag my entry up, and click and drag my entry down. If you want to see a video on it, it's found on our website, and you can get access to all of these videos. How do you take a trade using the indicator? Okay, so what I do is I wait for the reversal. So right here, you can see we are going from a downtrend red to an uptrend right here on the green. So right here, I would enter a buy trade. Look at this massive move up. And right here, where we see that, for example, right here, it's still green, but the market does a pullback. So on a pullback, I would enter the trades, and this is where we made over $10,000. So it stayed green, but that means that it's still moving up. But guess what? Over here, because it came down, we got a better entry, and we got a better entry right here. The arrow on top just, I think, shows the current market price. I think it's just where we are right now. So that's the arrow at the top right here, Kareem.
His dream has become his nightmare, his duty and his mission. That last long kiss and a fragile December is their mercy for the man who knows only his ambition. You don't need the spotlight. You fight the monsters. You are wonders. You are wonders. If you share what you have, if you lose a lot to give a little, you're living in the darkness. You are wonders. You are wonders. If you share what you have. You lose a lot to give a little. You're living in the darkness. You are wonders. You are wonders. You're living in the darkness. You are wonders. You are wonders. You don't need the spotlight. If you fight the monsters, you are wonders, you are wonders. If you share what you have, if you lose a lot to give a little, you're living in the darkness. You are wonders, you are wonders. If you share what you have. You don't need the spotlight. If you fight the monsters, you are wonders, you are wonders. If you share what you have.